How to fix Windows Calendar is not opening. So let's get started. First of all, press the Windows key plus I to open the settings window and click on Accounts followed by your info. Now under the account settings section, click on Sign in with a Microsoft instead. Since we are already signed in with one, we get the sign in with the local account instead, but you will get the former option. Then restart your computer to apply the changes made, then try to open the calendar widget. If the issue persists, then press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app, then click on Windows Update in the left panel. If you have any new updates to download, click on the Install Now button and wait for the process to finish. Otherwise, click on the Check for Updates button. Using an older version of Windows could be causing the problem, which can be fixed by updating to the most recent version. The mistake will most likely be fixed in a later update to the software package. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.